All right, my friends, welcome back to the Jarhead 6 channel. And we're going to do a battle box today. And I'm going to show it to you guys. Big shout out to Battlbox to send this to the channel every single month for me to show it to you guys. There's a couple different subscriptions that you could get. You could get all the way from the basic $29.99 to the Pro Plus, which is $160. I always say this, $160 is a motorcycle payment. So check out your finances and all that. If you want to subscribe and pay that kind of money for this is kind of what you're going to expect. Every single month you get a really cool knife. Normally, every now and then it's like, but typically you get a pretty decent knife. So we're going to open this up. It comes with a little card like this. Battlbox Brief 87. Man, I got to go back to see which one is the first one that I did because I've been doing this for a while, right? And again, this thing is going to show you exactly what it comes in there. It's going to give you some information and things like that. By the way, subscribe to the Battlbox channel. They do a pretty good job showing you this stuff. I'm going to wear my glasses. I got my dollar store glasses because I can't find the other ones. This thing is $1 and, don't look that great, but maybe it does it. Maybe it does it. But all right, so let's go ahead into the basic box. Like I said, this is going to be mission 87. The first thing that we're going to have here is going to be a 12-pack of Buddy wipes. So let's look for that. My desk is a mess today. I don't even know what this is, but we're going to put it here to the side. And all right, so this is kind of what we got right here is body wipes. And all right, so it kind of looks like this. This is going to be about $15. And again, I like the fact that they are separated. Let me see a little bit more right here. Buddy wipes, 12-pack. If you spend a lot of time in the outdoor, obviously hygiene is a big thing. So again, buddy wipes. All right, I like the fact that it's separated. I do like that. And you can see it right here. So again, you can put it in different packs and things like that. You could put it in, whatever packs you got. Refreshing, bold, confident, clean. You also get a 30%, and there's a coupon in there. This is the kind of stuff, you know what? I'm going to tell you, this is the kind of stuff that you don't really think about to buy. I would think about getting baby wipes, but not like something like this. So it's cool to see new stuff like that, right? So that's going to be a baby wipe. And the next thing is going to be arrowheads. All right, now we're talking. Right here. So let's look for this. It's going to be a price of $22. And okay, I got it right here. Let's open it up. Let's get my little knife right here. Somebody sent me a knife like this. Somebody sent me this knife. I want to say about 8 years ago, one of my subscribers. If you are out there, you know who you are. Put it in the comments. But what an awesome dude. All right, so again, let me open this up and let's kind of take a look at this. Man, my desk is a mess today, right? Really, really a mess. I got stuff everywhere here. I've been recording all day. I've been doing a lot of stuff. So, all right, let's kind of switch over here, see what's happening. Look at this. Let's see what happens. So, all right, this is kind of what we got right here. Really cool. I like the fact that it's inside a little pouch like this, and we open it up. Fox Americas. Let's open it up like this. And, all right, that's kind of cool. So this is kind of what you have right there. Like I said, $22 for this, and I don't know. I mean, that's kind of cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's kind of cool, right? It's one of those things that I don't know if I have a need for this, but if it ever comes down to like making my own stuff, maybe I could use that. You got a little bit of 550 cord right here in orange. I'm just gonna say, maybe I'm trying to be tactical. Maybe not orange for this operation. Maybe a little bit different color, right? So it says survival arrowheads, and like I say, because we're talking about survival, we want to have something more low profile color. But let me put this out of the way. How much is this going to be? How much is that going to be? That is going to be, where's the paper? That is going to be, again, $22.99. And you actually see a picture right here. You're going to see like a picture. Okay, so I guess the making kind of like a spear kind of deal with the orange right there. So, okay, so that's going to be that right there. Let's put this to the side. Just throw it on the floor. The next thing is going to be, I don't know what this is. MODL flex something. All right, so it's going to be that right there, right? And it's going to be a price of $24. And I don't really know what it does. Is it says that it's a new type of multi-tool, simple but powerful. And all right, flexible, stretchy, carabiner, wrap around items, your backpack. Okay, so it looks to me, you see it right here. So it looks to me like it's a piece of rubber. And then when you wrap it around, you could do something like this, right? And let me see if I put it here. So, okay. So you notice this right here. So essentially, in other words, you could utilize this to attach stuff to your backpack, attach things, that you need to attach, right? Like if you could put maybe like your keys through here and then you wrap it around something and then you could kind of like secure it this way like that, right? So, all right. So interesting design. Never seen anything like this. It's going to cost about $24 and you're going to have two of them, right? So again, that's kind of what you have right there. And that, my friend, is going to be the basic box. Now, we're going to jump into the advanced box, and it's going to be a bottle of water that is equal to $40. $40. Let me give you a quick look right there. Here's the bottle of water right there. That's going to be $40. And let's look at it right here to make sure that we have it. All right, so it's going to be this right here. So we're going to open it up. By the way, just to show it to you guys, obviously we're gonna do that over here, and give you a quick look. I like bottle of waters; they're always cool. All right, so all right, this is interesting. It's like a rubber kind of material. You can see that right there, and then when you open it up, everything seems like it's like a rubber. I don't know what will be the bottom part and what will be the lower part, and you see it has like a metal section right there, like like a reinforced. So you have rubber with reinforced right there, and it looks to me like you could open it both way. So if you open it this way or open it this way, why would they do it like that? Okay, you go open it this way. I guess you could you could drink it any way you want. You could drink it from here, or you could drink it from here, or maybe two people could drink at the same time. I'm not really sure, right? But it is what it is. Let's look at some of the things right here. There is a couple different models, and I'm going to kind of show you in the picture right here in case you decide to do a little bit more investigation on this, right? And you see some of the models that you have right here. Nothing else in here. It's called MODL Outdoors. And yeah, VPA free. I don't know. It looks cool. It looks pretty cool. Let's put this out of the way. And it does come, I don't know. It has an extra cap as well. And you see the cap here. I think it's part of the system. Yeah, I think it's part of the system as well. So it has a rims cap. And again, so you have two of them, and you have one right here. Let me see if the comments say anything. Anything else you can say here. All right, say goodbye to you. Cabin bottles of water. Say hello. Replace the water outdoor. Yada, yada, yada. Also includes a rings. All right. Oh, this is something different. Okay, this one is something different, right? So if you notice, this one has little holes, and that's going to be to rinse it, right? So if you put this one right here, essentially you could turn this up and go like this and push some water, come out, and you will rinse whatever. So that is definitely kind of cool. So again, I'm going to tell you, it's $40. It seems like a lot of money, but the material seems very, very good. Like as I'm touching them here, it does not feel cheap at all. It feels like a pretty decent bottle, right? It does feel pretty decent. So I like that. So that's going to be that when it comes to this. Throw it in the floor, and we're going to do the Pro Box, right? This is going to be the Pro Box. This is going to be hammock, I think. Let's see. Right there. That's going to be a hammock. And you can see, let me bring it closer. You can see it right there, right? So this is going to be a hammock that is pretty, very, very cool. Let me switch cameras right here. Very, very cool. So again, DD Tarp 3x3 is going to be a DD hammock, and its value $74. And the whole kit is going to be here. I'm not going to get out of here, but the whole kit is going to be here. So if you dig that kind of stuff, this is kind of what you have right here. I'll be terrified of this because, you know, my back hurts and I'm like overweight. And if I fell out of this, I'll be in a lot of trouble, right? 3 meters by 3 meter Coyote Brown. It's going to be 190T polyester. Includes 4-guy rope and 4 pegs. And it has 19 attachment point. So you can set it up however you have to set it up. I don't know much about hammocks. Some of you guys do. I have never really utilized them or anything like that. Let's go into the last. It's going to be the last. This knife is actually quite cool, guys. And I'm going to show it to you guys. This is going to be the Ractorizer fillet kit. And you see it right here. So this is kind of what you have right there. $124. So not cheap by no means. Let's put it to the side right here, and let's set out because I want to show you this. I want to move stuff out of my desk right here, and let's put it like this. And here we have it, right? Let's actually come in a little bit closer so you can see it right there. So this is going to be about $124 we said, right? So I'm assuming this is, I don't know, is this more like for fishing? Yeah, I would think so. It says this must be, do-it-yourself fisherman and hunter. All right, so it kind of covers you both. This is a beautiful kit, by the way. This is a really beautiful kit. Just the look of this. Wow. The look of this is nice. This is nice. So this is going to be right here. It's going to be the handle. And this is something that they sent something similar to this a long time ago, which was more primarily for hunting and cleaning animals and things like that. So essentially you have the handle right here, but then you have your blades, right? And as I pull some of the blades right here, you see this right here, right? So again, this will be a blade, the salt, obviously. Let's put another one to the side. You got right here that is, you know, your regular knife. One more. Look at this one, right? So essentially what we got here is where we have a system. Okay, this one must be something to like sharpen them as well. This thing right here. So we have a system that once we put apart this, we could build a knife, right? And then we have the ability to switch them around. Like you have one right here just like this, or you take the blade off and then you put another blade right here. So again, you have the ability to have multiple different knife on one. So this is definitely very, very, very cool. If I remember correctly, I gave away the hunting one that I have to a friend of mine. I think I did. And, you know, because I don't hunt and they do. So this is probably going to go to somebody. I don't know who, but it's going to go to somebody, a friend of mine, that probably somebody that fishes or something like that. So again, that's pretty cool. Again, that's going to be the entire model mission 87, I believe it was. And big shout out to Battlbox for sending this to the channel. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.